They're ranging there from 4 to 1 years old.
Okay.
The smallest one is a year old. Well, in actual fact, and now this is for all the ladies on the vehicle, the youngest elephant in the park is 4 months old. 4 months, about the size of my forearm. Tiny little guy. A couple of waters that they get as well. Egyptian geese here. Somebody in the swimming pool at home, you know?
He is.
Just having a really good time. The little one there, that is definitely a year old.
Now, do they ever, I think I know the answer, but do they ever get aggressive with each other?
They do, yes.
Yeah.
You'll find that your males, they are much more aggressive towards each other, especially when they eat must.
Yeah.
Must is the condition that they come in to advertise that they are ready to mate with the female. The females, sometimes they will get aggressive.